in a nutshell, can you see that the hardship and the difficulty has made us turn to Allah? It has made us come closer to our Maker. It has made us realize that the one who has the solution to our problems is Allah. So, when something negative happens to you, and it actually brought you closer to your prayer, to your fasting, to your duties unto Allah, was it really negative or was it positive? It was positive. Okay, so let's ask Allah to give us more and more problems. Is that okay? No, it's not okay. It's not okay. In reality, we ask Allah Almighty to take our problems away. And we ask Allah to alleviate the suffering of all those who are struggling across the globe. We say that every time we pray. Oh Allah, take the suffering away from all those who are suffering across the globe. So Allah Almighty grants us. What does He give us? He knows what is right for us, because ultimately I am on earth, you are on earth. Have you asked yourself, why are you here? How can life be fair if it is so short and it is meaningless? And when I die, if I were not going anywhere and it was just the end of everything, how is it fair? How is it fair if there is nothing that I should anticipate and look forward to? So many people, they cheat other people and they get away with it. They commit harm, murder. For example, they might commit some form of crime against another person and they get away with it on earth. But do they get away with it with Allah? No, they won't. They won't get away with it with Allah. But if there was no hereafter, it would become boring. I want to see a day where those who have wronged me need to face justice. The truth, because sometimes we might go to a court on earth, I might not be able to prove my point because I'm not eloquent enough, or I might not have had the required evidence sometimes. I might not be able to prove it, so they might not convict a criminal and he might get away with it. But Allah knows, I want to see a day when that justice is served by Allah. No one can cheat Him, no one can hide from Him. So we are waiting for that day. Don't you agree?